A very happy Women's Day to each and every woman out there. Women are more susceptible to changing hormonal levels at different stages, and these changes also impact oral health. So, here on Women's Day, I am sharing some important pieces of dental advice for different stages of womanhood. Stage number 1, young teenagers. The foundation needs to be very strong. If we develop a healthy habit of brushing, flossing, scraping your tongue, and rinsing from the start, this will become their healthy oral care regime. And second is developing healthy food choices, eating more of raw fruits and vegetables, inculcating raw salads into their diets. This will help in self-cleansing motion in the teeth, resulting in healthy and beautiful smile. Secondly, girls who are experiencing misalignment of teeth leading to aesthetic issues or functional issues at a later stage of time, if corrected at a right time, it can result into aesthetically appealing facial profile and functionally stable teeth. Stage number 2, working females. In today's fast-paced world, females are handling multiple projects single-handedly, and this has resulted into stress and stress-related attrition of teeth, which is also called as bruxism. If you are experiencing any symptoms like frequent headaches or pain while chewing your food or sensitivity in your teeth, this is an alarming sign that you need to visit your dentist to rule out any such attrition problems. Second problem which working females are facing is eating food on the go. Eating carbohydrate-rich foods and they are not rinsing their mouth properly with water. This results into caries formation leading to cavities. If not filled at the right time, this can result into painful conditions. So, a dental advice from my side: stay calm, practice meditation, and do not forget your annual dental checkup. Stage number 3, brides. Our beautiful brides want to look radiant on their wedding day. They think that pearly white teeth and fresh breath is all that they need. My dental advice is always go in for consultations some days before your wedding. There are many smile transformation procedures which are available, but consult a cosmetic dentist to know which is the right treatment option available for you. Avoid any teeth staining foods. Do not go in for any home remedies, and get a session of cleaning done for fresh breath. Stage number 4, pregnant females. A lot of hormonal changes happen during pregnancy, and this leads to gum bleeding and many such gum diseases. To keep your gums healthy during this phase, my advice is include a habit of gum massaging day and night just after brushing your teeth. Secondly, follow proper oral hygiene regime, which I have already told you: brushing, flossing, scraping and rinsing. And third, very important, is do not forget to visit your dentist in the mid-trimester to get a deep teeth cleaning done. This will help to strengthen your gums. Stage number 5, post-menopausal. Now the bones become osteoporotic and resorption starts. So my advice is any kind of ill-fitting dentures need to be changed. Timely replace the missing teeth, because this is the second inning and you have full right to smile and look good and have good teeth in your old age. So these were some tips for different stages of womanhood, sharing with you all on this Women's Day. So let me know in which stage you are in and which tip was most beneficial to you. Till then, stay safe, stay connected.